Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and lay Dragon Mania on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Dragon Mania on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search this on your search bar. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website. So on this website is where we will download the game, so just go and open it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download the game on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now see this download button right here. Just go and click it. And then finally, for the last step, just click the install button to finally start installing the game. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Dragon Mania installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.